NITRC-CE comes pre-configured with some common imaging software, but in order to use these tools, we need some data. This video will show you two ways to get data into your computational environment. This demonstration assumes you are already in NITRC-CE. If you need help getting to this point, watch our companion videos on launching a NITRC-CE instance and starting a VNC session. One way to get data onto NITRC-CE is to download data from NITRC-IR, the image repository. If you move or minimize the terminal window, you will see a NITRC-IR desktop icon. Double-clicking this icon will start a Firefox web browser pointed at NITRC-IR. If you are running a small instance, this may take a while, so please be patient. Now that we're in NITRC-IR, let's grab an image. Click on one of the projects, like CandyShare Schizophrenia Bulletin. Click on a subject in this project. I'm just randomly selecting the first one. Click on MR Session to get the MR images for this subject. Select Download in the Actions box and then Download Images. On the pop-up screen, change the selections if you like, and when you are ready, click the Download button. Select Save File and click OK. The file is saved to the Downloads directory in your computational environment. Go back to your terminal window and go to the Downloads directory. You can see that the zip file containing our MR session image is now in our Downloads directory. You can unzip this file and use the tools on NITRC-CE to view or analyze the image. And that's an example of getting data from NITRC-IR. Another way to get data onto NITRC-CE is to transfer data from your own computer using SCP or SFTP. In this example, I have a similar NITRC-IR zip file on my local computer. You may use SCP or SFTP from the command prompt if your operating system supports that, or you may use your favorite file transfer software. I'm going to demonstrate with FireZilla. The host is the public DNS for your NITRC-CE instance. It's the URL that starts with EC2 and ends with amazonaws.com. The protocol is SFTP, the login type is normal, and the username and password are what you supplied when you configured your VNC session to access NITRC-CE. Click the Connect button. Find your file on your local computer and transfer it to the Downloads folder on NITRC-CE. When the transfer is complete, go back to your VNC terminal and your Downloads directory and look at its contents. You should see your zipped data file. Now you can unzip it and use it for data processing with NITRC-CE. Any questions? Contact nitricinfo@nitric.org.